Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. For hunters, a reliable and well-designed hunting jacket is an essential piece of gear that can make all the difference in a successful and comfortable hunting experience. The best hunting jackets are not just about keeping you warm, they also offer features like camouflage patterns, scent control, waterproofing, and pockets for storing essential gear. In this guide, we will explore the world of hunting jackets, examining the top options available on the market. Whether you're an avid deer hunter, waterfowl enthusiast, or simply enjoy spending time in the great outdoors, finding the best hunting jacket to suit your needs is crucial. On number 3, Game Hide Flatland Deer. The Game Hide Flatland Deer Hunting Parka is available for excluding shipping and custom charges, which will be calculated during checkout. It comes in the color options of Realtree Extra, Blaze Orange Camo, and Infinity, and various size options ranging from small to 4x large. The product is currently in stock and imported from a USA store. There is no UCare warranty available for this item. It is sold by Game Hide Hunting Wear and ships from UBI. Please note that if you are buying electronic products from the US store, you may need a step-down power converter to operate them in countries with different voltage standards. On number 2, Sitka Gear Mens Incinerator. The Sitka Gear Mens Incinerator Aerolite Insulated Hunting Jacket is a unique outdoor jacket that offers waterproof protection and innovative features. It is currently available for purchase, with sizes in L, XL, and 2XL. There are no reviews for this product yet. Some options may not be available, and customers can inquire about special ordering. The jacket is designed to be like a virtual walking sleeping bag, providing warmth even when wet due to its Prima Loft Silver Down Blend insulation. It also includes a waterproof safety harness pass-through port, a 2-layer Gore-Tex membrane, a quiet brushed face fabric, internal cuffs to prevent heat leakage, and a YKK waterproof front zipper for staying dry during outdoor activities. Additionally, on number 1, Sitka Gear Delta Wading Jacket. The Sitka Gear Delta Wading Jacket is currently on sale and available in waterfowl marsh color. It has 34 reviews with an overall rating of 4.8 stars. The jacket is made of reinforced Gore-Tex Pro fabric, making it breathable, durable, and quick drying. It features a streamlined pocket layout, a functional hood, water sealing cuffs, pit zips, and a Gore-Tex Pro laminate with a DWR finish. The jacket is available in sizes medium, large, extra large, 2 extra large, and 3 extra large. Customers have mentioned that the jacket runs slightly tight, so it's recommended to buy one size larger for a better fit. The jacket is highly praised for its waterproof capabilities, comfort, and versatility for waterfowl hunting. In conclusion, selecting the best hunting jacket is a crucial decision for any outdoor enthusiast. The choice of a hunting jacket can significantly impact your comfort, safety, and overall hunting experience. After considering various factors such as climate, terrain, and personal preferences, it becomes clear that there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, the best hunting jacket will vary from person to person. It's essential to prioritize features like insulation, waterproofing, breathability, and camouflage patterns based on your specific hunting needs. High-quality materials and craftsmanship are also vital to ensure durability and long-term performance. So this was the video, guys. Do check the link in the description and like to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.